In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track tasks in Airtable using Claude AI. In the message box, paste a prompt asking Claude to create a task tracking system directly in your Airtable using the integration. Specify that it should build a tasks table with fields for task name, description, status, priority, assignee, start date, due date, and progress. Also ask it to include a basic status workflow and progress tracking, and make sure everything is fully set up and ready to use. Then send the prompt and allow Claude to generate the structure for you. Once that is done, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created task tracker base that Claude generated. Open it and review the layout to make sure the base appears correctly. Next, go into the tasks table. Check that all of the requested fields have been created. You should see fields for the task name, description, current status, priority level, assignee, start date, due date, and progress. Take a moment to confirm that the table is organized in a way that is easy to use. After that, verify that the field setup is working properly. Make sure the status field supports the workflow you need, such as not started, in progress, and completed. Check that the priority field is set up clearly, and confirm that the date fields are ready for scheduling. Review the progress field as well, so you can track how far each task has moved toward completion. When everything looks correct, begin adding your tasks into the table. Enter the task name and description, assign each item to the right person, and add the appropriate start and due dates. Set the status and priority for each task, so the tracker gives you a clear view of what needs attention first. As work moves forward, return to the table and update each task. Change the status as tasks progress, and adjust the progress field to reflect the current stage of completion. This helps keep the tracker accurate and useful for day-to-day planning. Finally, use the table to monitor both completed and pending work inside Airtable. By reviewing statuses, deadlines, and progress in one place, you can keep your task management process organized and easy to follow. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.